Hello everybody, how are we all on this fine Monday afternoon? Well, evening by the time you watch this. No cooking today, you've probably seen by the thumbnail already. We're going to be having a pasty. I do like a pasty. I usually buy the cheap ones from Aldi. They're about 70p, but they're more full of pastry than meat, if you get what I mean. But then I was looking on Morrison's website and they've got the good old Ginsters on sale. They've also got them on sale at Asda as well. Tesco's, they've got them on sale only with your club card. I ain't got a club card, so I popped up Morrison's and we haven't got it because we haven't got an Asda. And I've got myself a few different ones. Each one of us in the house can have a different one. But let me show you what we got anyway. Okay, this is what I've got. Now they have got a few more up there. A few more different ones. But I weren't buying every different one. These were, well, them two there, the sausage roll was £1 and the Philly cheesesteak was £1. That's them two. And these were £1.25, reduced from £1.99, which for a Ginsters isn't bad, is it? That's what I thought. Oh, yeah, I'll get some of them because I do like a Ginsters, but I haven't had one for quite a while. As I say, I normally buy the cheap Aldi ones. But yeah, so I've got myself a smoked beef chilli pasty, 100% British beef, £1.25. Cheese and onion, Nat's having that one, £1.25. Chicken and bacon, I'm having the original. Oops, I'm having the original one. They're all £1.25 them. Yeah, Nat's having the cheese and onion, I'm having the original. Them two are going to go back in the fridge because I'm not cooking them all because it'd just be a waste. £1 for the Philly cheesesteak, the lad's having that. And then the other lad's having a sausage roll. I bought a couple of sausage rolls, they're in the fridge because they're handy to have, ain't they? And we're just going to have it with a bit of Morrison's seasoned fries in a southern fries style coating. Cooked for 18 minutes, oven baked, but they're going in the air fryer. It's all going to be done in the air fryer. £2 they were. So nice and simple. Now I could go through all the ingredients, but I think you've all had the Ginsters before, ain't you? It's on their website anyway, if you have a look. I'm not going to read that, it's far too small. This is the Cornish pasty one anyway, if you want to have a quick look. I'll just do it quickly. It's on their website anyway. So it says there air fry. 16 to 19 minutes for the Cornish. Cheese and onion. Keep knocking my camera. There's that. Nutrition. That one's 12 to 15. So it'll be that one first, that one second. Then I think it's the Philly cheesesteak. Let's see the nutrition on this one, where it is. There it is. With the ingredients and everything. A quick look. And this one is this one's 7 to 10 in the air fryer. And then the good old sausage roll. I think Iceland are doing these on sale as well at the minute. I think they're £1.35 or 3 for £1, but I've only got a select few, which I didn't notice till I had a look about half hour ago, and they are doing them as well. So, and these are 7 to 10 as well. Now I am going to make my own Cornish pasty. It won't be a proper Cornish, will it? Because it's not made in Cornwall, as it says. Proper Cornish pasty's got to be made in Cornwall. There it is at the bottom. Must also be made in Cornwall. I'm going to do some of them, some proper pasties, in sort of the summertime when we have a live picnic. I'm going to make some before. Yeah, I'm not going to bother showing you them ones. I just thought I'd show you that they're there because they're going to go back in the fridge. That's just what I'm cooking. And these are seasoned fries, say £2. 750 gram. Blah blah blah, they're going to go in the air fryer and all. Yeah, I just really fancied the Cornish pasty. And I do like a Cornish pasty, hot and cold. But I'm going to do them in the air fryer today. There's them. Anything else there? So nice and simple. First things first then, I'm going to get my air fryers warmed up. We'll get the chips in and then we'll get these in as we go. Well, I've got my air fryers warming up. I'm hoping you can hear me. I'll just show you the Cornish pasties and that first. The Ginsters. There's the Cornish one. There it is, look. I mean, we've all had them, ain't we, so. But I'll show you. Cheese and onion. I mean, how much are them sausage rolls in Greggs now? I know they went up in price because there was a big moan about them, weren't there? No, that one's got a bit broke in the middle, look. That one. That's having that one. The Philly cheese bake. Cheese steak bake. Them all are going to eat up, ain't they, these are? That's what they are, ain't they? But you can have them as a meal. Why not? And I do like them cold. There's them, not very big, them ones. More of a bite size, ain't it? And the good old sausage roll. And them ones from Iceland, I haven't had them for ages now. Them Greg ones are nice and all, ain't they? Oh. But I haven't had them for absolutely ages. I'm going to drop in this, look. That one, it's full up, look, innit? It's full. On the old sausage roll. Right then. Wait for the air fries to warm up. Okay, we're going to get the fries in now. Get my basket out. I'm using my chef free today. That's what I'm using. I haven't used it in a while. We're going to open these fries. I'm not sure I've had these ones before. I don't think I have. That's some there. They look quite nice, them, actually. They don't look bad at all. I don't actually, do I? I don't know if you can tell on the camera. Get a few in. I'm going to pile it up actually. Probably put too many in there now, look. But hey, you always eat loads of fries, don't you? There they are. I put them in for 20 minutes and I'll just keep turning them. Okay, I'm going to get my Ginsters in first. Using my air fryer oven so I can get them all in one go. Put that at the back there. Lovely. Get that probably, how long was it? 3 or 4 minutes, and then the cheese and onion can go in, I think. Let me have a look. Where does it say? 12 to 15, yeah. So get 3 or 4 minutes, and then the cheese and onion can go in. Okay. Put them in now. That cheese and onion one now. 15 minutes to go. There we go. Okay, last 10 minutes. Let's get them in there. Get the Philly cheese steak. And the sausage roll. Oh yes. Okay guys, everything is done. I'm just going to get the fries out now. There they are. Looking quite nice, ain't they, them? Put them on the chopping board. And then we're going to get... We've got the sausage roll. Boiling hot. Careful of them, break it. Sausage roll there. The Philly cheese steak there. I know it's not much of a video, but it's what I fancied, so. Cheese and onion. And my one. Ow. Good old Cornish pasty. So it'd be nice with a bit of beans on there. I'm not having any beans. I'm just having that with some brown sauce, that's all. Let's get some fries on. These took about 18 minutes, these fries. Still a bit warm, I don't want to use my hands if I can help it. There's the fries, I might as well eat them. Yummy! Right then, let's get up the table. There we go, Ginsters Cornish pasty and some fries. Oh yeah. Gonna get a bit of salt on my old fries. And you can't beat a bit of brown sauce, can you? Bit of brown sauce on the old, at the side for the Ginsters. Only the Aldi cheap stuff. Not paying, what is it, nearly £3 for daddies. Or whatever it is. And I also got to have some mayonnaise on my chips. Is what I like. Oh yeah. How you getting on, Barry, with your chips? What's it like?
Chips are alright.
Alright.
Chips are nice.
Let's get into it and let's have a couple of chips first. They're alright, £2, aren't they?
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah, they're not bad at all for the money. For £2. Now on to the old Ginsters. Oh yeah. Is it full? Oh yeah, it's full to the brim. It's hot, so I've got to be careful. There it is, look, full to the brim. I'm going to dip it in a bit of brown sauce. I've had the Ginsters for years, man. Usually just buy the old cheap ones. Yeah. How's that cheese and onion?
I'm just eating the crust.
I'm just eating the crust at the minute.
Yeah.
Some brown sauce.
I'm not trusting.
Let me have a look at it. Let me show me the side of that in the middle. Just open that up again, Babs, and just show them, please.
Okay,
That's opened hers up. There's Nat's look. Not open mine up, I'm eating mine as it is. Delicious Cornish. Oh.
I'll eat my crust first.
Yeah,
I'll eat the crust first.
The pastry.
Yep.
That's the pastry lover.
Try some now.
Yeah, I'm happy now. I'm enjoying that. Let me know. You like Cornish? Whether you like Ginsters? Think?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't they? A lot better than the cheapo ones, isn't they?
I had one for it's nice.
No, nor me. Them cheapo Aldi ones we usually buy, they're a lot better, aren't they?
Yeah, Ginsters.
Yeah, let me know what Cornishes you like, or whether you prefer the Greggs over Ginsters, or the Greggs Iceland ones and that.
They're expensive, though.
No, I'm on about the frozen Iceland ones. I don't know how much they are. We don't go in there much anymore, do we?
Oh, I thought you was on about
Actual
the
Greggs
Aldi
are about £2 a bag now, or something.
I thought you was on about the Aldi ones as well, because they're expensive.
Yeah, the Aldi ones are like £2. £2 for two, I think, or something.
Really expensive now.
So yeah, let me know which ones you prefer. I haven't tried Asda's own or anything like that, but Aldi's isn't the best. It's alright for a munch. But these for the price for £1.25, I think they're well worth it, don't you? 100% happy. Well, I'm going to go and eat it before it gets cold, guys. As I say, I am the old food guy. I have got a PO box. If anyone's interested, send me stuff. I'm going to keep saying it because I paid quite a lot of money for it to get it, so I am going to promote it. I say till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye.